Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Judicial Service. Today we are going to discussing here MP Civil Judge solved paper 2018 set 2nd part 3rd. This video is very important because in this video we cover MCQ related to Code of Criminal Procedure and GS and Computer Science and English language. So these are very important for MP Civil Judge examination. And those who are not watched the previous video, all the link of previous videos are available in our description box. Please go and watch these videos. And before starting this video, I request you please like and share our videos and please subscribe our channel. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Now question number 91. These questions are related to Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Now question number 91. Under what section of Criminal Procedure Code a magistrate may direct local investigation? This is very important here, local investigation. So under which section? So under section 139, a magistrate may direct for local investigation. So answer here option D. Now question number 92. How much punishment may be awarded to an accused and who is found guilty under summary trial? This is very important here. So how much punishment may be given in summary trial? So clearly here 3 months. So answer here not exceeding 3 months. Option A is correct here. Now question number 93. A confessional statement under section 164 of Criminal Procedure Code can be recorded. So the confessional statement under section 164 recorded before the magistrate. So option A here, during the course of investigation only and not afterward. Option B here, during the course of investigation at any time afterward or commencement of trial with the permission of court. Option C here, during investigation as well as during inquiry but before commencement of trial. And option D here, during the investigation, inquiry or trial. So confessional statement under section 164 of Criminal Procedure Code can be recorded during investigation as well as inquiry but before commencement of trial. So answer is here option C. So this question is very important here. In this question the confessional statement under section 164, the statement given by the person before a magistrate, and under section 161 the statement given by the person before the police officer. So this thing here. Now question number 94. In MP means Madhya Pradesh, offence under section 363 IPC. So section 363 IPC related to the punishment for kidnapping is triable by which court? So the offence under section 363 is triable by the court of session in especially in MP Madhya Pradesh. So answer is here option C. Now question number 95. If an offence under section 376, so section 376 dealing with the punishment of rape is committed, the information shall be recorded by woman police officer under section, so under section 154 CRPC. Option D here, under section 155. Option C here, under section 156, and option D here under section 157. So clearly answer here under section 154. So option A is correct here. Now question number 96. Criminal Procedure Code. The magistrate of first class may pass a sentence. So magistrate of first class may pass a sentence here. Imprisonment for a term not exceeding 2 years or fine and not exceeding 5,000 rupees or both. So this statement is absolutely wrong here. The magistrate of first class may pass the imprisonment up to 3 years. So it is wrong here. Now second one, the imprisonment for a term not exceeding 1 year. So it is also wrong. Now third one, the imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years. This statement is correct here. Or fine not exceeding 10,000 rupees or both. Yes, answer of this question is here option C. Now question number 97. Imprisonment in default of payment of fine, this is very important here, in default of payment of fine can be awarded. So this question is related to section 30 subsection 2 of CRPC. So in that time, in addition to a substantive sentence imposed, so at the time where imprisonment in default of payment of fine can be awarded in addition, this is very important, to substantive sentence imposed. So answer here option B. Now question number 98. The procedure of arrest and duties of officer making arrest is provided in section 41B of Criminal Procedure Code. So this is very important section here, 41B, related to procedure of arrest and duty of officer and who making arrest. So answer here option A. Now question number 99. The court may alter charge. So court may alter charge under which section? Under section 216 of CRPC. So option A here, only before evidence of prosecution is closed. Option B here, only appellate court may alter charge. Option C here, the charge cannot be altered. And option D here, at any time, this is very important, before judgment is pronounced. So clearly answer here option D. Now question number 100. The executive magistrate may require security for good behavior from habitual offender. This is very important section, very important provision. Habitual offender under section, so under section 110 of Criminal Procedure Code. So answer here option B. Section 110 related to the security for good behavior from habitual offender, and who may require? Executive magistrate is required here. So answer here option B. Now question number 101. A magistrate may take cognizance of an offence on complaint if in his opinion, option A, there is a sufficient ground for conviction. Option B here, there is a prima facie no probable defence of accused. Option C here, accused is not innocent. Option D here, there is sufficient ground for proceeding. So in this question, the magistrate may take cognizance of offence on complaint if in his opinion there is sufficient ground for proceeding. So answer here option D. Now question number 102. The victim is defined in section, this is very important question, many times asked this question in various previous exam. So victim is defined in section, so victim is defined in section 2WA of CRPC. So it is 2WA of CRPC code, Criminal Procedure Code. So answer here option A. Now question number 103. Under proviso to section 372 Criminal Procedure Code, the victim have no right, this is very important, no right to prefer an appeal against any order passed by court. This is very important provision under section 372. Section 372 makes the provision to provide the right to the victims of appeal against the order of the court. So in which case the victim having a power to appeal, and in which matter there is no power to provided to victim for appeal. So first one, acquitting the accused. Yes, in that time where the court acquitting the accused, the victim have right to appeal. So it is correct here. Now second one, convicting for a lesser offence. Yes, in that time the victim also having a right to appeal. So both are correct here. Now third one, imposing inadequate compensation. Yes, at the time of inadequate compensation imposed by the court against accused, in that time the victim may appeal. Now third one, imposing inadequate sentence. So this is not a proper ground of appeal by the victim under section 372 of Criminal Procedure Code. So clearly answer here option D. Now question number 104. Under Criminal Procedure Code, the period of limitation for taking a cognizance of any offence shall be 3 years. So shall be 3 years if the offence is punishable with imprisonment for a term, this is very important, exceeding 1 year but not exceeding 3 years. So answer is here option A. Now question number 105. When a person and who would otherwise be competent to compound an offence under section 320. So section 320 dealing with the compounding of offence of Criminal Procedure Code is dead, then so option A here, legal representative of such person as defined in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 can compound the offense with permission of court? Option B here, offense can be compounded by any live eyewitness. Option C here, offense cannot be compounded after the death of person. And last option D here, a legal representative, this is very important word here, legal representative of such person as defined in Code of Civil Procedure. This is very important thing. Legal representative is not defined in Code of Criminal Procedure, it is defined in Code of Civil Procedure 1908, can compound the offense with the consent of the court. So clearly answer of this question is here option D. Now question number 106. Which of the following section of Negotiable Instrument Act is related with presumption? So Negotiable Instrument Act related to presumption under which section? Under section 119 there is a presumption, 137, 139, all of these. So answer is here option D, all of these. Now question number 107. Whether a minor may draw, endorse and deliver and negotiate any instrument. So clearly here, yes, he may do so as to bind all parties except himself. So answer here option D. In this question, the minor may draw, endorse and deliver and negotiate any instrument. So this statement is absolutely correct here, and he may do so as bind all parties except himself. Now question number 108. This question related to Negotiable Instrument Act. When the cause of action accrue if the check is issued by the drawer is dishonored. So in that time where the cause of action is accrued, so in that time on the date the drawer of check fail to make the payment of check amount to pay within 15 days from the receipt of demand notice. So answer here option C. Now question number 109. Supreme Court let down, this is very important question here, please pay attention on it. So Supreme Court has let down a certain direction to criminal code for speedy and expeditious disposal of case falling under section 138, this is very important section, of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 in the case of, so first of all section 138 dealing with the dishonor of check for insufficiency of fund in the account. So this thing here, so in which case, so case name is here option A here, Indian Bank Association versus Indian Bank Association and others versus Union of India. Option B here, Rangappa versus Mohan. Option C here, Associate Cement Company Limited versus Keswanand. And option D here, K Bhaskaran versus SB Balan. So clearly answer here option A, Indian Bank Association and others versus Union of India. So option A is correct here. Now question number 110. In recent case, the Supreme Court has held that where the check amount and interest and cost as assessed by the court is paid by a specified date, the court is entitled to close the proceeding in exercise of its power under section 143. So 143 dealing with the court entitled to close the proceeding in exercise of its power. So of the act and read with section 258 CRPC. So that case is here Mrs. Meters and Instrument Private Limited and ANR versus Kanchan Mehta. So answer here option A. Now question number 111. These questions are related to general knowledge. So first question, an artificial satellite stay in the orbit around the earth because the earth is attraction, the produce the necessary centripetal force. This is very important here, centripetal force. So answer is here option B. Now question number 112. Venus is considered as Earth's twin because, so why Venus is considered as Earth's twin? Because it has approximately same size, mass and density as that of Earth. So answer here option C. Now question number 113. Which among the following city of Madhya Pradesh is not including in the smart city project? So clearly Rewa city is not including in the smart city project. So answer is here option D. And remaining Sagar, Satna, Ujjain, these are including in the smart city project. Now question number 14. Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education is situated in, so Lakshmi, this is very important here, Lakshmi Bai National Institute of Physical Education is situated in Gwalior district. So answer here option C. Now question number 15. AB blood group. So AB blood group is very famous blood group. It is popularly known as the universal acceptor, and same thing is related to the O blood group. O blood group is related to the universal donor. This blood group people donate their blood to every other blood groups people. So AB blood group is known as the universal acceptor group because it does not consist both antibodies. So answer here option D. Now question number 116. This is very important question here. Bhopal gas tragedy occurred in, so Bhopal gas tragedy is occurred in 3rd December 1984. So answer is here option B. Now question number 117. Pangong So Lake is situated in which state? So Pangong So Lake is situated in Jammu Kashmir and especially in Ladakh region. It is situated with the boundary of India and China, especially in Ladakh region. So answer here option C. Now question number 118. Davis Cup is related to which sport? So clearly Davis Cup is related to tennis. So answer here option B. Now question number 119. How many times late Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister of India? So Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a Prime Minister of India 3 times. So answer here option B. Now question number 120. So who was the runner-up of FIFA World Cup 2018? So FIFA World Cup 2018's runner-up is Croatia and winner is Germany. And another important thing is here, in which country hosting the next FIFA World Cup 2020? So which country hosted? So clearly Qatar. So Qatar hosted FIFA World Cup 2020. So answer here option C, Croatia. Now question number 121. If you want to see crocodile in their natural habitat, this is very important, then in which one place is best to visit? So which place is best to visit? Chambal River. So answer here option B. Now question number 122. In which district of Madhya Pradesh Palakot is located? So in which district of Madhya Pradesh Palakot is located? So in which district? So district is Chhindwara. So answer here option B. Now question number 123. Which country is not a permanent member of United Nations Security Council? So there are 5 permanent member in United Nations Security Council. So first one is USA, second one is Russia, third here France, fourth here Britain and fifth here China. But Germany is not a permanent member of United Nations Security Council. So answer clearly here option C. Now question number 124. Which of the following country is not in the continent of Asia? So Indonesia is found in Asia, Japan, it is also island country in Asia, Malaysia is a island country in Asia, but Libya is not a country of Asia, it is belonging to North Africa. So answer is here option D. Now question number 125. Who has become the oldest Indian woman to complete an Ironman triathlon? So which woman? So clearly here Anju Khosla. Anju Khosla is the first oldest Indian woman to complete an Ironman triathlon. So answer is here option D. Now question number 126. In March 1939, the Indian National Congress meet at annual session at Tripuri, near, so near Jabalpur, this is very important here. So answer is here option D. Now question number 127, this is very important question, please focus on it. Kalidas Award of MP government is not awarded in the field of, so Kalidas Award of MP government is awarded in field of classical dance, theatre and visual art, classical music, but it is not awarded in field of literature. So answer here option C. And many questions related to Kalidas of MP government award asked in previous examination, and so please watch all the previous examination videos, and their links are also available in our description box. Please go and watch this video. Now question number 128, who has been the first person who delivered his speech in Hindi in United Nations Organization, means UNO. So who gave his speech in Hindi? So Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, a first person who delivered his speech in Hindi in UNO. So answer here option P. Now question number 129, who constructed the Sanchi Stoop? So who constructed Sanchi Stoop? So answer is here clearly option C, Asoka. Asoka constructed Sanchi Stoop. Now question number 130, who were awarded a Bharat Ratna in 2015? So clearly in 2015 Bharat Ratna award given to Madan Mohan Malviya, Atal Bihari Vajpayee and Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar. So answer is here option C. And same thing, important thing is here. So another Bharat Ratna award in 2019. This is very important here. So 2019 Bharat Ratna award given to Bhupendra Hazarika, Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh. So these persons are very important here in our further examination. Please remember the name of these. 2019 Bharat Ratna award given to again Bhupendra Hazarika, first one, second one Pranab Mukherjee, and third one Nanaji Deshmukh. So answer of this question is here option C. Now question number 131, these questions are related to computer knowledge. First question, which of the following is not an operating system? So first one here Unix, so it is very secured operating system. Option B here Linux, it is also very secured operating system. Third one Java, Java is not an operating system, it is an application software. And fourth one here MS-DOS, MS-DOS means Microsoft Disk Operating System. So A, B and D are operating system, but Java is not operating system. So answer is here option C. Now question number 132, 1 petabyte is equal to, so clearly 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. So answer is here option A. Now question number 133, which of the following device cannot be shared on computer network? This is very famous question, many times asked in previous examination. So which devices cannot be shared on a computer network? So clearly keyboard is not shared in computer network, and remaining hard drive, CD drive and printers are shared on a computer network. So answer here option B, keyboard. And keyboard is also a input device, and remaining printer output device, hard disk it is a storage device, and CD drive it is also a storage device. Now question number 134, in computers and digital technology 1 gigabyte is, so clearly 1 gigabyte equal to 1024 megabyte. So answer is here option A. And 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. So this is very important here. So answer of this question is here option A. Now question number 135, which of the following method cannot be used for data transfer between two computers? So Wi-Fi, LAN cable, memory stick and Hi-Fi. So Wi-Fi, LAN cable and memory stick used for data transfer between two computers, but Hi-Fi is not used for data transfer. Answer here option A. Now question number 136, the TFT stand for, so clearly TFT stand for thin film transistor. So answer here option A. Now question number 137, what is called the procedure for transfer of system file to memory RAM in computer? So the procedure for transfer of system file to memory RAM in computer is known as swapping. So it is known as swapping. swapping. So swapping. So this process called swapping. So option A here, processing. So it is not a processing. Processing means whenever whenever you open any apps and it takes some time, such time is known as processing. Formatting, whenever any person who format their computer and making their partitions of their computers memory is known as formatting. Booting means a time where a computer is start and it takes some time to open their window. So this time is known as booting time. And so this process is known as swapping. So clearly answer here none of these. So option C is correct. Now question number 138, which is not a secondary storage device. So CD-ROM, it is a secondary storage device. DVD is also secondary storage device, and these are also permanent storage device. Floppy disk, it is also secondary storage device, but RAM, it is a primary storage device. So answer is here option B. Now question number 139, full form of URL. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. So answer here option A. Now question number 140, IC chip. This is very famous question here, very important here. IC chip used in computers are made of, so it is made of silicon. So answer is here option A. Now question number 141, these questions are related to English knowledge. First one, I shall go and dash 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 down. So first one lied, second one lie, third here lay and laid. So clearly I shall go and lie down. So answer is here option B. Now question number 142, choose the word opposite in meaning to. So first here cordial. So cordial opposite is here hostile. So answer is here option D. Now question number 143, microscope make a small thing appear larger than they really are. So answer is here option D. Now question number 144, find the correct spelled word. So correct spelled word here assassination. So answer is here option D. Spelling is here ASSINATION, assassination. So answer here option D. Now question number 145. So 145, fill in the blanks with correct preposition. I have no sympathy dash 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 this man. So I have no sympathy for this man. So answer here option B, for is correct preposition. Now question number 146, the word dash 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 express the opposite meaning of susceptible. So susceptible means opposite word of susceptible. First one incredible, second here immune, third here predictable, and fourth here unpredictable. So opposite of susceptible is immune. So answer here option B. Now question number 147, allowance due to a wife from husband on separation. Option A patrimony, option B antimony, option C parsimony, and option D alimony. So clearly answer is here option D, alimony. Now question number 148, find out the correct antonym for the word veracity. So correct antonym of veracity is falsehood. So answer is here option A. Now question number 149, dash 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 the cover of darkness the enemy crept dash dash dash. So under the cover of darkness the enemy crept up. So answer is here option C. Now question number 150, select the word which is most nearly opposite in the meaning of the word forbid. So option A forgive, option B allow, option C refuse, and option D deprive. So correct opposite meaning of word forbid is allow. So answer here option P. Now we are going to finish this video, and if you like this video, please click on like button. Your one like support us. Please click on like button. And before finishing this video, I request you please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching Indian Judicial Service.